Can we start? Okay, Jai Hind one and all. This is actually online classes. Only you can see the face of teacher, but we can't see faces of you all. As you know, last class I told that I will engage for 5th semester 2 papers. Paper 1, that is income tax. Previously it was engaged by Dr. Bennaka sir. So as Bennaka sir has become principal, so it's my job to continue. Okay, and similarly second paper, that elements of costing. So today I am here to glance regarding the first paper, that is income tax. Can we start? So yesterday already I have circulated PPTs on the income tax slides. So let us go through that while listening to today's speech. So you know that generally government spends huge amount of n number of activities. Do you have think how the government collects the fund, or from where the government collect money and spend, or can government produce money and spend? Think on it. So you know that, you must be know that government collects the fund from the public and spend for the public purpose. So government collect fund in the form of taxes and spend the same amount for the social welfare of the society. Social welfare of the society. So my dear friends, so government can be collect fund from the public in the two forms. Generally we called in the form of income tax and in the form of taxes other than income tax. Okay, later I will explain one by one, all in my different slides. So let us focus the income tax. You know, now income tax is more important for present scenario. Why? Because it is the biggest revenue to the government. It is biggest revenue to the government. So without income tax collection, government cannot generate the revenue. So my first slide here is the importance of income tax has increased considerably in the present days because it has become a major source of revenue to the government to utilize for the social and economic development of the country. Whatever government collects in the form of income tax, that is revenue, that revenue government is to be utilized for social and economic development of the society. So it is an instrument reducing the unequal distribution of wealth between rich and poor. What? Income tax is a instrument. What government can do? With the help of this instrument, government collects revenue from rich person in the form of taxes, and same collected revenue giving to the poor people in the form of different schemes, welfare developments. Then different government has allocated different schemes. With the help of this generated revenue, pension scheme is there, old age scheme is there, then family, Anath Ashram scheme is there, flood relief scheme is there, then road development scheme is there, then Annadana scheme is there. Many different schemes are available. So the government can utilize for these different schemes fund which is collected in the form of revenue from the rich person. So it is an instrument. Very important instrument, reducing unequal distribution of wealth between rich and poor. Understood? Understood? We'll go next slide. What is the characteristic feature of tax? See, please pay attention. Slide number 2. Tax is the compulsory payment of money by the people to the government. This is the first feature. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. What is tax? It is a compulsory payment of money by the people to the government. Here people generally means person. To whom we call person, you will come to know in my different slides. Okay. So what is tax? It is a compulsory payment of money by the people to the government. This is the first feature. Second, tax collected by the government is used for public purposes. Whatever collected tax by the government from the public must be utilized for public purpose only. बोले तो आपसे ही लेना है, आपको ही देना है. सो लेने का और देने का. जो भी अमीर आदमी है, अमीर आदमी से धन गवर्नमेंट लेता है और जहां पे भी रिक्वायर्ड है, जिसको रिक्वायर्ड है, जो गरीब आदमी है, गरीब सोसाइटी है, फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी, द कलेक्टेड फंड इज टू बी यूटिलाइज्ड. गेटिंग? Then third one, contribution received by the government is not for any specific services rendered by the taxpayer. जो कोई भी कंट्रीब्यूशन गवर्नमेंट लेता है, जो गवर्नमेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन लेता है, क्या इज नॉट एनी स्पेसिफिक सर्विस. कुछ तो सर्विस देना पड़ता है गवर्नमेंट को, ऐसा नहीं है. Those who have excess money, that excess money, on excess money, certain percentage of tax is to be paid to the government. Okay, understood? Can we go next? See now. At the introduction part, I told that different taxes are there, types of taxes. Different taxes are there, but these all taxes can be divided in two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Okay, number one, direct tax, and second one, indirect tax. So the question will come, kindly mention the types of taxes. कितना बोलना है? 2. Direct tax, that we call income tax, is an example of direct tax. And our second one is indirect tax. Okay, GST nowadays, all tax is one. Goods and service tax जो भी है, isn't it? All tax in one. GST is nothing but indirect tax. Understood? Understood. So what is direct tax? What is income tax? What is direct tax? So use my next slide. Direct tax or income tax is a tax those taxes where the impact and incidence of such tax fall on the same person only. What? Direct tax is a tax. Impact and incidence fall on the same person head. It not passes. See, instruction are given. No shifting of burden of taxes to another person. जो कोई भी डायरेक्ट टैक्स है वो टैक्स शिफ्ट नहीं किया जाता है, शिफ्ट नहीं होता. कैन आई गिव एन एग्जांपल? सपोज आपका फादर अमीर है और आपका फादर मंथली टैक्स पे करता है 50,000 रुपीज. फादर का इनकम टैक्स कैन you pay being he is a father of your own, can you pay father tax? No. So father income tax is to be paid father only. Burden cannot be passes through. चलो बात मेरा बेटा पे करेगा, मैं क्यों पे करूं? नो. मेरा बेटी पे करेगी? नो. मेरा और कोई पे करेगा? नो. मेरे फैमिली मेंबर पे करेंगे? नो. मेरे कस्टमर पे करेंगे? नो. Means what? Direct taxes are those taxes where the impact and incidence of such taxes fall on the same persons only. Indirect meaning क्या हो गया इसका? इसका meaning क्या हो गया? Indirect meaning ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರೋದು? ಇದು meaning ಈ ತರ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ತರ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್? Okay, can we go for next second? Now second is become easy now. Why you know? Just it is a reverse of this. Indirect taxes are those taxes where the impact and incidence of such taxes fall on the different person. जो कोई भी मेरे ऊपर टैक्स आता है, मैंने पे करता हूँ, वो टैक्स मैं और किसी को तो ट्रांसफर करता हूँ, वो भी नहीं फिक्स करता, वो भी नहीं पे करता, वो और किसी को तो ट्रांसफर करता है, वो भी नहीं पे करता. लास्टली जो कोई भी सब टैक्सेस है वो कस्टमर के हेड के ऊपर जाते हैं. मैन्युफैक्चरर्स प्रोड्यूस द गुड्स. Actually manufacturer has to pay certain percentage of taxes to the government. Okay, of course government will take taxes from the manufacturer, but whatever manufacturer pay the tax on the manufacturing, he will collect these all tax amount from the wholesaler. You know that whatever tax including the tax amount, the cost price will be fixed, inclusive of all taxes you might have been seen. Getting? Might have been seen. Means what? Cost plus taxes equals to selling price. Means manufacturer shift or transfer this taxes to the wholesaler, and again wholesaler will pay all amount, but wholesaler again pays to the shifted to the retailer. Again retailer sell those products to the customer. Means who are actually payer? We people, general common society, people, so customers. Customers are the taxpayer. Means what? Shifting of the burden of taxes to the another person. We call indirect taxes. Getting my friends? Okay. Can we move next? So you have heard what is tax. Let clear the meaning of tax. Meaning of tax. What is tax? What is contribution. For 2 marks it will come. What is tax? Tax is a compulsory contribution by various persons to the government. Compulsory बोले तो जो कोई भी रिच है वो पे करेगा. Isn't it? Compulsory but no exclusive. Compulsory person जो कोई भी हो. मैं बोलने वाला हूँ. Next slide. What is C? Tax. Tax is a compulsory contribution by various persons to the government. Means from the public to the government. It is a contribution. So what is income tax? Tax. Contribution. What is income tax? जो कोई भी इनकम के ऊपर टैक्स होता है उसको इनकम टैक्स बोलते हैं. वेरी सिंपल रे एंड रे उत्पन्न अगर टैक्स है उत्पन्न टैक्स है इनकम टैक्स. वेरी सिंपल. इनकम टैक्स इज अ टैक्स ऑन इनकम. वेरी सिंपल. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस सेंटेंस. इनकम टैक्स. व्हाट इज इनकम टैक्स? टैक्स ऑन इनकम. वेरी सिंपल. प्लीज रिमेंबर. इनकम के ऊपर टैक्स इनकम टैक्स बोले तो इसी सेंटेंस में इसका मीनिंग है. सो व्हाट इज इनकम? इनकम बोले तो क्या है? वेरी सिंपल. अगेन व्हाट इज इनकम? व्हाट इज इनकम? एनी मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट रिसीव्ड बाय द असेसी. एनी मॉनेटरी इसका बेनिफिट असेसी को मिलता है, इंडिविजुअल को मिलता है, एक पर्सन को मिलता है तो इनकम होता है. मेरे को लॉटरी लग गई, इनकम हो गया. मेरे को सोना मिल गया, इनकम हो गया. मेरे को कुछ पैसा मिल गया, इनकम हो गया. मेरे को सैलरी मिल गई, इनकम हो गया. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट्स? एनी मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट रिसीव्ड बाय द assessee we call as income. इस स्लाइड पे 3 क्लियर हो गए. व्हाट इज टैक्स? इट इज कंपल्सरी कंट्रीब्यूशन बाय वेरियस पर्सन टू द गवर्नमेंट. व्हाट इज इनकम टैक्स? इनकम टैक्स इज अ टैक्स ऑन इनकम. व्हाट इज इनकम? एनी मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट रिसीव्ड बाय द assessee. Can we move next slide? Okay, please. See, these are the important some points, contains Income Tax Act 1961. So history of income tax and all I will continue tomorrow classes, and these meanings also. See the different for throughout the semester you will be repetitively repeating these words. Not only 5th sem, even 6th sem also, not only for study purpose, for forever in your life, these words will be repetitively come in the transaction. So, what is person? What is assessee? What is assessment year? What is previous year? What is assessment? What is income? Assessment year आपको खाली आपको और बीकॉम फाइनलिस्ट स्टूडेंट को आपका असेसमेंट ईयर होता है 2020-21 एंड प्रीवियस ईयर होता है 2019-20. इसका डिटेल्स इंडिविजुअल मीनिंग्स विल बी कंटिन्यू इन द टुमारोज क्लासेस. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.